Kumshi Bantaban Rakhe ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking lani ka si banyale persha ya ka jingdi drug kashi tulup ka perthai ka bahab ha ka arpu hundri tre ujeliu na kalyang ka office tre kam ka office changa district social welfare officer ri Bhoi district ha ka jinga tre rengkar par ka office u district sports office kala penlong ya ka jinga ka marathon ka basan kilometer ya ka bala sedang na Sidon Indoor Stadium bat penkutpan ha NSCA Indoor Hall umleng kedai. Hakani ka marathon na sakhi ka jingwat shimbanta de kisamla bat kirangwa hakabana kalyang kishinrang usamla skemlang suba ula khur ya ka nam ka baningkong usamla monas bongrung ulawan baar bat usamla Emmanuel bongrung ulawan balai bat hakathub jungki kenthei ka samla barisha khamdet kalawan baningkong ka samla sildaris makri kalawan baar bat ka samla julina bongrung kalawan balai kum kadak ka jing ai mensem na kalyang ka Ophis Dswo kila airu da ka khusnam shakindong job Hakinong job ha kibalawan ningkong kila yo ban khur ya kasong pisa ka basan 1,000 tengka kibawan baar 1,000 tengka bat kibawan balai 1,000 tengka ya kani ka jinga ko marathon awan ban ka we lama ru Dr. Abhishek Sahi Assistant Commissioner ri Bhoi ha ka jing dan lang ka kong e kharshandi DSWO ri Bhoi ba Bobby L Nongbat DSO ri Bhoi bat kiwe na katanat social welfare bat na katanat district sports office.
Day against drug abuse. I think this is a very important event and especially participation of youngsters is very necessary to just raise this message that there should be complete no to drugs, especially from our youth. So it is very heartening to see so many of you turn up. That means you have that passion inside of you and you want to spread this message also. So I would like to say to all the youth that drugs are something that are destroying our young generation, and with this marathon you are giving this message of fitness, and when you say no to drugs you are fit, you are healthy and you achieve more in life. So that is my message to you. Please stay fit, stay away from drugs and always progress in your life so that you achieve heights, study well and always play a sport. And I can see all of you are very fit, so I believe most of you will be able to finish the marathon also. And I just congratulate all of you and wish you all the best, and thank you so much.